Today and tomorrow we're going to be working on a program called Hockey Scholars from a website called Everfi. If you were here last year, you might remember we used Everfi to do a program called Vault. So the link is going to be right underneath this video on the 5th grade lab page. It's in light blue, Everfi Hockey Scholar. You're going to click on the link and you're going to sign in with your username and password just like you log into the computer. I've already got it set where it will pull up to what we need. So I'm just going to sign in. If it doesn't work like it did for me, just make sure you retype it and try again. And when you do get logged in, I'm logged in as Trevor, just as an example, you're going to see future goals. This is the science edition of the Hockey Scholars program. So you're going to click the blue Get Started button. And this is brought to us by the actual National Hockey League, the NHL. So it says something about a Hockey Scholar survey, but we're not doing that. So just click to continue and move past that. And then it comes up. Now, this little guy here is going to talk to you. You can click next to go through the things that he has to say. I'm just clicking the skip so I can move you through and show you what to do. So you have the player roster area, you have the games area, you have your trophies. Right now, Trevor has not played any, so he has no trophies to show. If you click in the player roster area, this shows you the player name, the position, the player number, the games played, the shoots, and the catches. I'm not going to do anything with that right now. I want to do the games area. So when I click on the games, I have different ones listed here. Prepare the surface. That's an intermediate game, so that's going to be kind of medium hard. The face-off is a beginner game, so that's going to be easier. Strength, that's advanced, so that gets harder. Endurance, the stick, the goalie pads. So there's games for each part of what it takes to play hockey. So if I clicked on, for example, the easiest one, Face Off, he's going to talk and tell you some things, and you're going to click Next. And then it's going to have a few questions for you to answer. Just do the best you can to answer the questions. Once you answer the questions, then it's going to get in to the actual gameplay. And it will help you figure out what you're supposed to be doing. If you complete the game, then you'll earn a trophy that will go in your trophy case over here. So your goal for the next 2 days is to play these different activities and learn through science all about the game of hockey. When you are done, let me know. You probably won't get finished with all of them in the 2 days that we have. But if you get finished, then let me know.